winter season already and it's cold outside, so I decided to shoot a cinnamony apple recipe. And today I will show you how to make apple pie cookies. I will make cookies, but feel free to use the exact same recipe for a whole pie. And I will not use any butter, and I will use much less sugar than usual, so do not feel guilty while eating. Let's start. I will start with the filling because I want it to cool down a little bit before using. I'm using 3 apples, and I will grate them. It's also kind of a great workout. Okay, it's finally done. Now I'm taking my pan and I will put all the apples in it. On top of the apples, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar and also a pinch of salt. And I give them a mix. And I wait for it to heat up. And it started to heat up, and I will cook it until the water boils away a little bit. It has been about 2 to 3 minutes, and apples release their water, and this water evaporated. And it looks thick enough so we can turn off the heat. Now I will add spices. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and also I have some clove powder that I used in the pumpkin bread recipe. I will put the link down below. And I wanted to use it a little bit because you know the cinnamon, clove, they're all best friends. But I'm just adding a pinch. Okay, 2 pinches. It smells amazing and it's very strong. Actually, I made a mistake. I grounded it in our coffee grinder. Now all our coffee smells like cloves, so don't do it. Okay, as the last ingredient for our filling, I'm adding half cup of walnuts. I chopped them in advance. Now I give them a mix. And I will set this amazing filling aside. We will use it soon. Now we will prepare the dough. I want to try something different, and I don't want to prepare a classical pie dough which is made with butter and cold water. Instead, I developed another recipe which is as delicious and which goes great with pies. Meanwhile, I'm heating my oven up to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. I'm adding 1 cup of vegetable oil, and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of starch. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can use any type of vinegar. Today I'm using grape vinegar. We will mix them up. It smells very vinegary, but don't worry. And in this wet mixture, I'm adding 3 cups of flour. As you can see, the dough is very dry now, and we will add 5 tablespoons of water. Now we will switch to our hands. It's the perfect consistency. Our dough is ready. Now we can shape our cookies. We will roll this out. This to 3 to 4 millimeters of thickness, and with a round shape, I will cut out round shapes. Then I take one, and I will open this up a little bit more, and I add the filling in the middle. After, I take another round, and I will put this on. And I make sure that I seal all the dough around. Okay, at this point it looks ugly, but I have some flower shapes, so I will just cut out some flowers. Now it looks cute. You can make any shape you want. This is just the way I like it. These are like small apple flowers with some surprises in it. So I continue until I finish all of them. I was able to prepare 15 flowers, and I have 3 more that didn't fit on the tray. Before sending these to oven, we will just make one little thing. We will open little holes for the steam to go out. Now I will bake them for 20 minutes. Cookies are out of the oven, and as a final touch, we will add powdered sugar on top of them. These are my favorite winter cookies. I hope you will like them as well. And if you like my videos, I'll be very happy if you subscribe to my channel. And I'm also waiting for your comments and likes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.